No dress for Timmy. Timmy is excited about career dress-up day. Then he discovers his friend's secret. George is planning to come to school as a princess. George thinks he's a girl. Should Timmy think of George as a girl too? What should Timmy do? The class is told to compliment each other and to be kind. Timmy begins a journey that will test his courage and friendship. He learns that sticking to the truth can result in unexpected consequences. Get this biblically sound book in the age of political correctness. No Dress for Timmy by Shefflorn Ballantyne, illustrated by Tarangana. And visit the author's website. Thank you.